I hope you boys have learned as much from me this year as I've learned from you. You've taught this city how to trust the soul of a man rather than the look of it. And I guess it's about time I join the club. Join the club. Join the club. Join the club.
I'm walking through these streets, I'm spitting on my game. Listen to my beats, yours all sound the same. You think I'm wearing cleats, I juke like Lawrence Taylor, and them girls scream, you just a simple hater. I pile dry my rhymes, call me Ric Flair, and I'll spit till I get hits. Watch my clip clap like a Tommy gun, talking smack up on this track. Snap back, cause I have just begun. We need a hometown hero, someone down for the streets. Don't flow for no De Niro, the crown on his beat. That's right, I do this for zero, cause I'm down on my knees. Straight Robert De Niro, the Untouchables heat. Played Al Pacino and Godfather Part 3. Now down we go in history. No matter how far we go, you can't get to me. And I drain my free throws, MJ23, presto.
Hero, someone down for the streets. It was down for the streets. Down for the streets. We need a hometown hero, someone down for the streets. It was down for the streets. Down for the streets. We need a hometown hero, someone down for the streets. It was down for the streets. Down for the streets. We need a hometown hero, someone down with the streets. It was down with the streets. Down with the streets.
Live from the RXBG, tired of potatoes, I'm on a search for me. Slowly reaching my peak, no training classically. Just a big mouth, short hair, Nikes on my feet. Cause it's hard to keep on white when you fighting to eat. And it's hard to keep on white when you fighting to keep. To just stay away cause they bombing real like to creep. Now you running through the streets, sand splashing through creeks. Screaming to wake them up cause they been sleeping for weeks. Trying to save all of my sisters and all my P and P's. Yeah, we fight against ourselves, enemies, real running free. And injecting us with venom, turning us into freaks. Now we coming back, throwing small trickles and gleeks. We title waving goodbye, all you got left is slow leaks. Yeah, this is my city for the next billion weeks. My town, our time, baby, how could you leave?